So let us look at the last aspect on the circular motion. So which is known as what? Banking of road. Banking of road is a phenomenon of raising out egg of the curve above the inner egg of the curve. If you look at what, assume this is a what? A circular track. So when a car is moving along this circular what? Track, at a, this is a what? A curve here. At a particular point here, this end, this horizontal line, but this end of the curve, this place, particular egg here, it will be what? It will be higher than the inner part here. So the part of the curve, the outer surface of the curve, it will what? It will be higher than what? The inner surface of the what? Of the curve. And the angle between the horizontal and the incline here is called what? Theta. And then we have what? The tire of the car that is moving. And this is the car that is what? That is moving. So you will now observe that what? The end, the outer edge of the curve is higher than what? The inner edge of the what? Of the curve. So this angle is called the angle of what? Of banking. So what is banking angle now? Banking angle is the phenomenon of rising out edge of the curve growth above the inner egg. The phenomenon of raising out the egg, outer egg of the curve root above the what? The inner egg of the above the inner egg is called banking of road. So the phenomenon of what? Of make the what? This outer edge of this curve higher than the what? The inner end of the curve is called what? Banking of the what? Banking of the road. And this angle here between the horizontal surface of the road and the angle and incline is called banking what? Banking angle. Let me sketch it out here. This is horizontal line and this is what? The angle. Is what? Angle. You see what? This is outer what? I said the phenomenon of raising outer edge of the curve. Outer edge of the what? Of the curve. So this is outer edge of the curve. You raise it up above the inner what? Edge of the what? Of the curve. And the angle between the horizontal and the incline, we call it what? Angle what? Angle theta. And at this point now, this is the tire of the car, and this is the second tire of the what? Of the car. And here we have what? The car. This is the tire of the car that is moving. And the weight of the car is acting what? Downward. Which is W mg. And this is the what? The normal reaction on the what? On the car, which is R. And if you solve it what? Resolutionally, this place will be what? Mg sine what? Sine theta along the inclined plane. And here we have mg cos what? Cos theta. Mg cos theta Yeah, this is mg cos theta. This is it now. And when you now say what? At what? Equilibrium. At what? Equilibrium. You will observe this is a car that is moving along the what? The circular track. When a car is moving along the what? A circular track, is a must the car will what? Will bend towards the what? The center of what? Of circle or center of track. So the force that is make the what? The car to bend toward the center of the circle is centripetal what? Centripetal force. So at this equilibrium, the centripetal force, which is what? Mv square R is equal to what? The mg sine what? Sine theta, you call it what? Equation 1. And if you look at the what? The resolution of force along the horizontal plane, we have mg cos theta is equal to the what? The weight of the what? Of the car along the inclined plane. You now have what? The mg, the weight equal to what? Mg cos what? Cos theta. When the car is what? Is at equilibrium. The next thing is we will divide equation 1 by 2. Divide what? Equation 1 by divide equation 1 by equation what? 2. Mv square R. Yeah, divide this by this. We now have what? Mg equal to what? Mg sine what? Theta over what? Mg cos what? Theta. This m cancel m. This cancel this each other. You now have what? V square Rg equal to what? Sine theta over what? Cos theta. So, where what? Tan theta from trig is sine theta over what? Cos theta. What do we have now? We have V square Rg equal to what? Tan theta. So, therefore, tan theta equal to V square over Rg. This tan theta is called banking angle. We call it what? Banking angle. And again, you can also what? Recall from frictional force. We all know that what? Coefficient of friction equal to the what? Tan what? Tan theta, who is what? Coefficient of what? Of friction. So we can also have this to be what? Coefficient of friction equal to the V square Rg. So if you are to find the coefficient of frictional force, same thing as what? Angle of what? Of banking. And the next thing is what? To determine the speed, the maximum speed. Let's check to what? Maximum speed of velocity. The maximum velocity of a car along a what? A circular track or along the curved road. So to determine the maximum velocity, now say what? From bank angle tan theta equal to V square R what? Rg. Let us make this V square the formula. What do we have? V square equal to the what? Tan theta Rg, or you can say what? Rg tan theta. So the V equal to the what? Square root of what? Rg tan what? Tan theta. That's what? The maximum speed of a car along a curved road. So let's solve two or more questions on this. After that, we are done with circular what? Motion, and we will now move to what? The new chapters in physics. Let's just solve these two examples on a banking of road. Solution. The first question. At what angle? That is, here we are looking for what? Angle theta. At what angle a cyclic should lean over when negotiating a curve of 45-meter radius? The radius is 45 meter at 20 kilometer per hour. The speed velocity is what? 20. Let me write it here. Velocity is 20 kilometer per what? Hour. The first thing we need is, Abi, we are now asked to find the what? The theta. What is the formula for angle of banking? Now, so what? Using tan theta equal to what? What is V square over what? Rg. You now have tan angle of theta. My velocity is 20. But note that this 20 is in kilometer per hour. We need to come to the what? To the meter per seconds. So it will be what? 20 kilometer multiplied by 1000 per hour. That will be what? Hour in second, 360 seconds. So this 20 kilometer, 20 kilometers times 1000 per hour is what? 60 seconds, 60 times 60 will be what? 360. To convert 1 hour to what? To seconds is 3 what? 360. Then over radius given is 40 what? 45 multiplied by what? 9.8, which is acceleration due to what? To gravity. Abi? So the next thing we need now is what? The tan angle of theta. It will be what? 0.6699. If you press everything you have here, it will give you what? 0.6699 what? 9. Then you will now find the what? Arc tan of 0.6699. The final answer for the theta is 4 degrees. So the next question: at what maximum speed a racing car can traverse an unbanked curve of 30-meter radius? The coefficient of friction between the tire and the road is this. Yes, this one is also what? We have to find the what? The speed. And we are given what? Radius. Radius is 30 meter. Coefficient of friction between the road and tire, mu is what? 0.6, which is the same thing as what? I said it before. Tan what? Tan theta. We are now asked to find the what? The speed. So what is the formula for speed? Is this. So speed is V equal to the what? Square root of Rg tan what? Tan theta. Abi? And our tan theta is the same thing as what? As mu. You can have what? Rg mu, which is coefficient of what? Of friction. So the speed, the maximum speed will be what? V square root of what? What is the radius given? Radius is 30 multiplied by 9.8, then multiplied by what? Tan. Oh no, it's not tan. Coefficient of friction 0.6. Abi? Multiplied by 0.6. So if you press all the calculator, we have this 13.28 meter per seconds. That is what? The speed. That is all about circular what? Circular motion. So the next chapter we need to move towards is simple harmonic motion.